Hello everybody, I'm in India, in Himachal Pradesh, and I'm doing the Spiti Valley circuit, which is 13 days. And just to show you, this is my motorbike. Well, yeah, it's a Royal Enfield, and it's a 400, not mistaken, 400 cc, and I'm in a small town, very small, and it's called Nako, and I'm just about to start the Spiti Valley itself. Yeah, I will start tomorrow actually. Up until now, I started from Shimla, the capital of Himachal Pradesh, and this is the fifth day that I've been traveling inland. And Nako is a very small town. I would say it's 3,500 meters, and it is mostly homestays. And just to show you, I'm going to show you the landscape from here. Just give me a second. I'll reach a good spot. As you can see, we're pretty high up, and I'm going even further high. And this village, like many others here in India, they are always building, new houses. And of course, there is the little business is tourism, nothing else really. And probably this place, Nako, maybe has 500 people, I would say, with about more or less the same amount of homestays. And yeah, it's just a pretty amazing view. I just want to show you another spot. Let me try to reach a good place to get a good view. Sorry for the shaking. Yeah, this is the view of the Himalayas, so please enjoy. It's all for you. And yeah, in the next few days I will do even some passes above 4,000 meters. Luckily today, at least in the afternoon, it's sunny day, and so good pictures, and talk to you soon.